clothes to pack.
Welcome to day 4 of the 7 days of happiness.
The ordinary. Hey kitties. They love this toy so much. This is us every morning. I just watch them. I feel like such a cat mom.
You are a cat mom.
You're a cat dad. Oh my god. The pineapples. Oh. Bye bye. Bye honey. Oh, it's a gold. Today's gonna be a really big day and also morning, so I'm gonna get my face beat. I'm not really a morning shower girl, but after the gym I just need to because I feel so gross. Time to get ready. I'm back and my face is beat. My hair is just curling. It's sitting in its little buns. It's gonna look so cute after when I take it off, but just not right now. First things first, I gotta feed my kitties and then I'm gonna make myself some food. I'm genuinely starving, but I have to feed the kitties first. Breakfast! Normally they come out when I tap the bowl, but I literally can't see them anywhere. Guys! Where are you guys? Guys! I can't see them.
Oh, the Nubbles there.
Nubbles! Come on. Eat your food. Where's your sister? Will you eat first? No, it's this bowl. It's this bowl. Huh? Excuse me, you're in the wrong spot. Ooh. Oh my god, that was a close one. Okay. Hi! What are you doing? Gonna make some matcha. I'm gonna take my hair down while I wait for my pancakes to cook. This is my genius hair hack. Like whenever I curl my hair, I always, while it's still hot, I like to twirl it around. So it's like this. What are you doing? And then, excuse me. And then I just untwirl it like this. And I take down the little front bangs as well. Now my hair is super textured. I love super textured wavy hair, so this is exactly the hair that I want like every other day. My matcha's getting better. I was like a disaster of a matcha maker like literally a week ago, and now I'm a lot better. Nice and toasty. Today's gonna be a really big day, so I'm fueling up on food. I'm so hungry right now as well because we went to the gym and I get so hungry after I work out. If you don't know what pikelets are, they're like these mini pancakes and they're the best thing that's ever existed. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, like I'm not much of a morning person. I don't like waking up in the mornings, but I've been trying to really badly for the past few weeks, actually months, because I want to have like a better routine, because I realize waking up earlier, your day is so much longer. That might sound really silly to some people, but like I didn't realize that. Like I knew it, but I didn't realize. that I would have so much more time in my day. So I've been trying really hard. Oh, I think my cat's trying to find the other cat. I didn't realize that feeling until I felt it. And so I was on a really good streak for a while. Recently, I've been falling off my streak a little bit. Oh no, my cat's crying. Why are you crying? Oh, she can't find her sister. Her sister's like sleeping in the study. Nubbles. Nubbles. Okay, well, there she is off. Anyways, so I've basically been trying to keep it up, but it's just been really hard for me because I'm just generally speaking, I don't wake up naturally like that early in the morning. Eventually I want to work my way to like 6 a.m. Like that's pretty early for me. Anywhere between 8 to 9 a.m. for me is super good. Any earlier than that is like a phenomenal day for me. So I'm slowly working up to that. Let me know if you're a morning person or a night person down below because I'm definitely a night owl. I don't like sleeping at night. I find myself the most productive. I have a really big morning of things to do, so I'm gonna get right onto it after this. I have to go to post office, so I need to pack some orders. If you didn't know, I started a small business last year, the Plan Brand, which I'm gonna link my journey up here for you guys so you guys can see it. If you haven't seen it yet, you can see my journey and how I started that. I treat it like a side project, although it has taken so much more time than I ever anticipated. So I'm gonna pack those orders first and then ship those out, and then we'll get on. Behind me is where I keep some of my stock, so I like to pack orders from home because I realize that it's just a lot easier packing from home. I don't have a lot of time to travel to and from the warehouse, so this is where I keep a small amount of stock, so I have access to everything immediately. Whenever I get an order, I can just quickly pack it and then send it out. 4 more orders to pack today before we send out those ones down there. Pack some of the orders and we're gonna send these out later after I get the rest done. I'm gonna pack the mail before I send these out as well. If you didn't know, I have a small business called The Plan Brand. I sell a diary kit, which is our iconic piece, and stationery, some stickers. They're all hand drawn by me. They're super cute. If you didn't know already, the main reason why I wanted to create the diary kit is because I wanted to make planning and organization fun. Not a very fun process normally. If you didn't know what my diary kit comes with, it comes with a bunch of stuff. Organizational stickers, decorative stickers, the diary kit itself. Running a business is really hard, guys. Like honestly, it's been so challenging. I'll talk to you guys about more soon, but this is what my diary looks like. I have like a shit ton of these because I use them all for different things, but this is my one diary. This is what I mean by customize. Like you have all these different sticker options and you can just customize it like this. This is an example of how you can use the diary kit. So this is how I do it. I have a schedule from Monday all the way to Sunday, and then I like to put everything out. Also, everyone loves these habit tracker stickers. Here's another beautiful page. See how fun my stickers are? This was probably one of my favorite creations. Like this guy, so cute. Also, another habit tracker.
That went yesterday.
Okay, I've sent Clint off to the post office and I'm being changed because I need to go get some mail from the mail room, and I don't want to wear PJ pants down because I think people will judge me. Okay, I'm gonna go to the mail room now because I have some mail to pick up, and I got my claws done the other day and they look just so nice. Anyways, okay, let's go. It's so nice and warm today. Oh my god, the kitty cats. Hi guys. What is this lighting? It's a bit strong. The past few weeks of my life have been kind of a blur and really stressful, and I don't know, I get really caught up in like thinking about the future and also like what I'm doing. I think I tend to overthink a lot, and I saw this quote the other day that was really helpful. It was wait, I literally can't even remember it. I posted it on my Twitter. If you don't follow my Twitter, please follow it. It's a little spicy, but like that's why I'm using Twitter. A reminder that we suffer more in imagination than in reality, and that was a quote by Seneca, and that is so true. I feel like I always create scenarios in my mind, and that's when I get super hyper stressed out because I just think way too much. Okay, let me sit down. Let's have a chat about this. Like, I'm someone who gets genuinely anxious. I don't know why. I think it's just how I'm built, and I just think a lot. I'm someone who just like panics a lot, except I don't like panic in like externalize it, I internalize it, so I don't express it. And I also play things down a lot. I don't like to express my issues to anyone. I just feel like it's no one's business. And also I feel like that's a burden to other people. If you express it, then it's like, well, why should you lay your problems on someone else? It's not like they can help you anyways. I went through a period of insomnia where I just couldn't sleep at night because I would think so much about life in the future, and like my mind would literally just be like, oh my god, all these thoughts, and then it'd be a waste of my time because I go to sleep really late, wake up really late, and then have a really bad routine. Like I would be working for the same amount of hours, just like in the wrong periods of time. So I'm like slowly trying to fix that. I actually have to get my mail now before it's too late. I bought these shoes recently from UGG and they're so cute. Mailroom outfit check. I hope no one comes up while I'm filming. It gets really awkward.
Doors opening.
Oh my god, this is totally a big mistake. Oh my gosh. I got some mail. The important mail first is my Amazon parcel. I've been waiting for this since one day ago because I got Amazon Prime for 14 days. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Most important purchase, I got this My Body book by Emily, and I've been meaning to get this. I really want to read this because I'm going through a crisis right now. I got a hard drive because I ran out of space. I also got a new SD card because I also ran out of space. I wanted bangs and wanted to try it before actually getting bangs, so I bought these 2 hair bangs to see. Look how much mail I have. Are these my bills? I think these are all my bills that I have to pay. I hate paying bills. I have a really different relationship with money now compared to a year ago. Also running my business, like I have a whole new perspective. Like, and when I talk to my siblings about money specifically, I'm always like, you have to understand when you buy something, like that is money that you've worked hard for. Like money doesn't come out easy. You can spend money really easily, but making it is not easy at all. Even if it becomes easier at a certain point in time, like in general, right? It's just a lot harder to make versus spending it. Like you can spend it so quick. And also I really want like a certain quality of life. So it's like, I don't know. Anyways, I'll talk about money another day. Fringe, which I don't know how this works even. There's like 3 clips. Now that I'm looking at it, this is a very intense fringe. It's meant to do like this. Like this is a bit much. I don't know how I feel. Let me know in the comments if I should get a fringe because I actually really want one. Maybe not like this thick, but who knows. I'm gonna do a bit of cleaning for the next like 30 to an hour while I wait for Clint to get back. This is my morning break. This is my baby. My little baby. Somebody messaged me and was like, stop holding your cats. And I was like, excuse me, they're my cats and they're my babies. Of course I can hold them. You don't mind if mommy holds you, right? See, she doesn't mind. She loves me. They're both just playing with my camera equipment. Guys, I'm trying to clean. Okay, Nubbles knows what's up. Nubbles knows.
We should start now while they're young still.
Yeah, literally.
That's a bad. That is cute.
Clint and I are gonna make a cat TikTok for our kitties, and also we have an Instagram page already, so if you want to follow those, look at it, because we're gonna literally post all of their baby photos and all of their baby videos until now and them growing up, because we were like, wait a second, we can do that because we have 2 kitties and who doesn't like cats? Our babies. If you want to see our babies and how they've grown up so much. Like, this is a photo of Nubbles when she was a baby, and this is a photo of her now. Like, she's grown a lot, and I've been documenting everything.
Welcome to day 4 of the 7 days of happiness. Most of us carry this sense that happiness is somewhere out there in the future. Our hope is that we'll find it in our next relationship, purchase, or experience.
Okay, I have to go back to work. What? Why? I'm gonna spend the rest of the day editing and then go over to my parents to help them out. And then later tonight, we're gonna go see Clint's family. A lot of family stuff. I need to water my plants because they're like slowly getting crusty. I always forget to water them. They always get really dry. So now I always make sure I water them at least 1 to 2 times a week. Otherwise they're all gonna die, and they're thriving recently and I can't have them dying on me. This is like a mini plant tour. You guys get to see all my plants. This one right here is my prized possession. I love this one. I just water it until it's all soaked. And we have this one, which just needs a top up on water. I have 2 over here. This one is my fig tree, which got really thin because I forgot to water it and then all the leaves fell off, so now it's dying. And also my cats like to get in here and sit on the tree, and they also pull off all the leaves. Like, that is the leaves that my cat pulled off. Nubbles likes to drink out of this one, which is so bad, so I have been trying to train her not to. There's a story behind every plant. Nubbles just likes to sit in this tree, and it's not even comfy. This is a new leaf, which I'm really excited about because look how big and beautiful it is. Like, these ones have been looking kind of dull, which I need to spray them. I'm cooking lunch right now for Clint, and I want to try these cat sounds. I've seen people like play this video of like cat sounds and their cats come to them, and I have no idea where my cats are right now. They're nowhere to be seen, so I'm gonna try this out. Where are my cats? Guys, my cats don't care. Oh, Nubbles! Nubbles, did you come? Nubbles! Of course you came. Nubbles, my angel. Oh, honey. She's the sweetest. Hi, you're the sweetest. Oh, tiny one. I'm gonna wrap up the video here. Thank you guys so much for joining me this morning. Of course, not every morning is like this. I have some really off days. I have some really good days, which are even better than this. This is like a medium rare kind of day. So I'm gonna get on with my busy day, and I will see you guys really soon.